Hello, welcome to VK's Kitchen and Craft. Today we are going to make veggie quinoa, but in a different style. For this recipe, we're going to need a lot of vegetables. First of all, we're using green peas, red bell pepper, green bell pepper, beans, tomatoes, onion, ginger, tamarind water, or you could use lemon juice. I was out of, so that's why I'm using tamarind water. Red chili pepper, green chili pepper, salt, cumin, cloves, black pepper, bay leaf, and oil. Okay, my pan is ready, so I'm gonna add oil. So what I did, I boiled the quinoa. So it's look like this now. So I use 1 cup quinoa and then 1.5 cup water to boil that quinoa. So we're adding bay leaf, cumin, black pepper, and some cloves. I'm adding onion. I have a ginger, green chili pepper, salt. If you add salt in your quinoa, make sure you know adding so much salt in here, otherwise it's gonna be too much salt. So I didn't add any salt in the quinoa. For quinoa, I am not making my onion brown, so it's transparent. That's good. I am adding tomatoes, adding red chili pepper. We're adding peas. You can add less or more, whatever the vegetables you like, you can use that. You can use cauliflower. I do not like cauliflower in my quinoa, so gonna add green bell pepper, red bell pepper. Oh, look at that, it's so colorful. And I'm adding beans. I'm adding a little bit more salt. We're gonna cover for like maybe a couple minutes and cook it. I'm gonna check it back. We want our veggies tender. We don't want like overcook them, just tender. Let's check it. So it's a little tender, but not all the way, but it's okay. So at this point, I'm going to add the tamarind water. I soak it for a little bit and squeeze it and strain it. So it's not necessary you have to use this. I usually use a lemon juice. I didn't have it lemon today, so anything. I'm very basic, so I don't want to go buy one thing once. Look at the color. I love this beautiful color. You can eat it as a veggie now, but so I'm gonna cook for a little more. Okay, seems like it's good. If you wanna like overly cook your veggies, you can definitely do that, but I like to see my veggies and also like the chunk, and I feel like if you overcook them, their nutrition value gets low a little bit. Okay, so we're adding a quinoa. Look at my quinoa, it's just every single bead. Especially the kids, if they don't want to eat it veggies, so you can just do that. I'm pretty sure they'll love it. You can You can skip the pepper, whatever the ingredient they don't like it. You can skip the ginger if you want to for them. If they are eating, that's good. Or you can use a ginger paste instead, the fresh ginger. Look at this one. Look, it's just beautiful. Alrighty, so we're gonna cook for like maybe another 2 minutes. Cover it and cook it so all the spices can get blended in there. Alrighty, so I'm gonna lower the heat and cover it for a little bit. Alright, let's check it. Alright, so our quinoa looks good. Alrighty, so we're ready to plate it. Let's plate this, then I will be back. Okay, our healthy and colorful veggie quinoa is ready to eat. Thank you so much for watching. If you are new on my channel, please like, share and subscribe. And don't forget to click on the bell icon to get a notification for my new video. Thanks again for watching. I will see you with the new video. Until then, take care.